Where can I find peace of mind? I'm ready to leave it all behind. I need to break out of this cage. I need freedom, I need to get away. So I'm sailing away. I'm ready to set sail. I'm sailing away, got no other place to go. Wherever the wind blows, I'm sailing away. All of my friends, well, they are gone, but I don't care, I can make it on my own. Times are changing, so am I. It's time to go, so long, goodbye. So I'm sailing away, sailing away. I'm ready to set sail, I'm ready to set sail. I'm sailing away, got no other place to go. So wherever the wind blows, I'm sailing away. My journey now, I'm trying to find peace of mind, a place that I can settle down. So wherever the wind blows, that's where I'll go.